Welcome to Brain Vision.
The nameplate of an electric motor has the following information. Line voltage equals 220 VRMS. Line current equals 15 ampere RMS. Line frequency omega equals 60 Hertz and power equals 2700 watt. Determine the power factor lagging of the motor and find the value of the capacitance also that must be connected to raise the power factor to the unity. Here power P equals S cos theta and power factor equals cos theta. From here the power factor comes out to be 2700 divided by 220 into 15. The power factor is 0.8182. Now the Q value for the power is S sin theta 220 into 15 sin 35.09 degrees. This is equals to 1897.3. When the power factor is raised to unity, QC equals Q, which is 1897.3. Then the capacitance value is QC by omega into VRMS square. Substituting the values, 1897.3 divided by 2 pi into 60 into 220 whole square. This is equals to 104 microfarad.